Hello friends! I'm pleased to present to your attention my new book 3D Peyote Stars 2. The book includes 10 tutorials of stars with bright, festive and geometric designs. The description of the book is optimized as much as possible for reading without turning pages, so that both an experienced craftsman and a beginner in beading can make this jewelry with pleasure from the process. The schemes are supplemented with a word chart. Professionals are well acquainted with this format. And for beginners in beading, there is a lesson on basic techniques and the intricacies of the workflow at the beginning of the book. You can pre-order the book now for just $59. And to make it even easier to get started, I recommend to order a book with 10 sets of Japanese beads, strong threads and tested needles for only $159, including the cost of delivery by courier services DHL, FedEx and UPS. Delivery is made from a warehouse in the USA and Poland starting from the 20th of October. Delivery time is on average from 5 to 14 days. The first edition of this book is limited to 100 copies only. We are already planning a second larger print run, so that it will be ready in early December. Therefore, if you want to surprise your loved ones with a bright gift and a festive atmosphere in the kind of your favorite hobby, make a pre-order right now by clicking on the link under this video. See you in my tutorials!